Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. This week started with a bullish candle on a Monday, where we have a great bullish candle that took the price outside from these two previous candles in the previous week and closed above this downtrend resistance line. The price also closed today above these candles, where it was an area for the decision for the bulls if the price will continue to do up or not in the previous week. In this week the price has closed above, and then after that, few days after, the price returned back down, going here to this level, which was acted as a resistance level and now acted as a support. From here, the price, after the price returned with this bearish candle, created a pin bar at this support area, which has indicated a small fight between the sellers and the bulls. Here we have a pin bar at this level, which indicated that the bulls are a little bit stronger and the support could hold because of this bullish candle. And after that, on a Friday, we have again the fight between the bulls and the bears. The bullish candle that has closed above Tuesday and Wednesday candles, which suggests that the bulls have managed to close the price above and beat the sellers at this level, which is indicating future move up. We have seen at Friday that the sellers have tried to push the price again down, where we have a strong wick on the bottom that was indicating that the sellers were trying to close the wick below, but this is also an indication that the sellers that have entered here has closed the trade at this level, and also the bulls that are preventing the price to go below this demand zone has entered into the trade and pushed the price again up, closing the day above these candles. Since the price has closed above these two daily candles, this is suggesting that the price will continue to move up in the next week. The price is currently at the seller's zone, which is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and in the previous attempt to break to the upside, we have seen a false breakout here, where the price has managed to close the day above, but the second day the price returned back down, closing below these candles. If the price next week closes the day above, we need to see again similar scenario like this, where the bulls have managed to break above the resistance line, then going down, making a retest of this previous resistance, acting now as a support that will allow price to continue move up. So in this case, in the next week, we can expect the price will reach this area, probably reaching this 0.9950, which is an area or where the sellers are waiting and which is a supply zone here for the price. If the price returns back down, the price could return to this level here, which we can see in the previous and in the past, that was acting as a support after the price has managed to break to the upside. Here we have also a support level that was preventing the price to move down after the break to the upside. So we can expect the price to go to this level here, and then we will see what could happen. The price around this level is also here, and support that we can see could reach and stop before moving again up. This is the area of confluence of resistance, where we have here a downtrend, the daily trend channel, which will suggest that the price will have a hard time to break to the above. If the price breaks above this downtrend channel, then it will indicate that the price has managed to get out from this downtrend, and it will be in the neutral trend after that, where we'll have the price fighting between these two levels. If the price managed to close above this resistance level and also this supply zone, it will indicate that the price has gone outside from this downtrend. So it will mean that we could look for the buying signals around this level and expect the price to move to the higher levels. If the price manages to close above and then return back down inside this downtrend channel, then we will be in the same scenario as before 2 weeks ago, where the price has managed to create a false breakout to the upside and then return back down. After that, we will see where the price will go, but most probably it will continue to move down here to this support level and also where the demand zone is, where the buyers are waiting. If the price manages to close above and stay above, confirming this demand zone as a support, then we will see the price moving to the higher level, especially to this level 1.00005, and then after that the next level is around this one, where we can see the price has managed to move in the previous attempt to move to the higher level. So this is the area, and also this is the area where the price will stop in the next move. But first we need to see it above this resistance and also confluence of resistance, and then after that we will see price moving to the higher levels at 1.005, and after that we could see the price reaching higher level around this 1.0180. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.